Hi, my name is Pipilicium. Welcome to the Pilates workout. Come to all fours, extend your back leg, kick and lift for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Take a pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Draw same leg across the back of the body, up and over for 4 and for 3 and for 2 and for 1. Hold it, take a pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kick and lift for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold, take a pulse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Across the back of the body for 4 and for 3 and for 2 and for 1. Hold it here, take a pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Keep lifting. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Take a child pose. Take a little bit of a wiggle if you wish. Take a moment. Start to roll up. Ready to start again. Extend the back leg. Kick and lift for 8, 7, 6, for 5, for 4, for 3, for 2. Hold it there. Pulse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Take the leg across the back of the body. Let's go. For 4 and for 3 and for 2 and for 1. Hold it here. Let's take that pulse. Lift for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Leg raises. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, for 5, for 4, for 3, 2. Hold it there. Pulse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Another round for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Up and over across the back of the body for 4, for 3, for 2, for 1. Hold it there. Take a pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Take a child pose. Take a moment. Well done. Take a breath and be ready. Come to all fours. Come onto your forearms. Open out to fire hydrants for 8, for 7, for 6, for 5, for 4, for 3, for 2, for 1. Pick the leg up across the back of the body. Keep the leg bent. Lift up and over. 4 more. For 3. Find full range of motion in the hip. For 2. For 1. Push back. For 4. For 3. For 2. For 1. Hold here. Take a pulse. Squeeze the glute. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Another round for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Fire hydrants for 8, for 7, for 6, for 5, for 4, for 3, and 2. Full range of motion across the back of the body. Lift up and over. For 4, for 3, for 2, for 1. Push back. For 4, for 3, for 2, for 1. Lift the knee high, keep the leg bent. Let's take a pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a child pose, take a wiggle, take a moment. Ready for the other side. Come to all fours. Open out to fire hydrants. Off we go for 8, for 7, for 6, for 5, for 4, for 3, for 2. Full range of motion behind the back of the body. Let's go. For 4, for 3, for 2. Keep the knee tucked in. For 1. Kick back 90 degrees and bring in. Let's go. For 4, for 3, for 2, for 1. Hold it here. Take a pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Another 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Fire hydrants. Let's go for 8. For 7, you've got this. For 6, almost there. For 5, for 4, you can do this. For 3, for 2, for 1. Full range of motion of the hip. Let's go behind you. For 4, and for 3, and for 2, and for 1. Lift the knee high 90 degrees. Let's tuck in. For 4, for 3, for 2, for 1. Hold it here. Take a pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a child pose. Take a wiggle. And well done.